Hey, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0 upper back day, dedicated upper back day. So, gonna hit pull-ups and croc rows are my two main movements today. We'll throw in a couple accessories. So, for me, I can't go straight into pull-ups anymore. I worry about these forearms giving me grief. So, warmed up with some supinated pull downs, a couple body weight reps. And then I'm just going to slowly ramp up the weight until I hit 45 pounds. So we're doing weighted McGill style. If you don't know what McGills are, I got playlists on McGills. Go check that out. So hit 20 pounds, 35 pounds, and then my working weight today was 45 pounds. So 6 sets of 2 at 45 pounds. Just trying to be as explosive as I can with 45 pounds. Might not look insanely fast, but just the intent has got to be there to pull as hard as possible. So after the 45 pounds, then I went back down to 15 and just did 2 sets of 3 here with 15 pounds. I just like to finish off my pull-ups feeling fast, so dropped the 45s, went to 15, 2 sets of 3, trying again to be as powerful as possible. Then I did a set of 5 at body weight. 5's about my max at body weight to be feeling powerful, and then I always find from the 6th rep on I start to slow down, and then after this set of 5 here, then I just do a single rep to finish off the workout for pull-ups. And when I do the single rep, I'm just trying to be as explosive as possible. Leaves my nervous system in a good place, although I wasn't happy with the speed on that. But just getting back into doing weighted pull-ups with straight weight, so we're just going to build from here. After the pull-ups, went into some supinated pull-downs, 188 pounds, so 2 pounds over my body weight. 3 sets of 10 here. If I'm doing pull-ups and I'm trying to get powerful at them, I don't like to do the same grip, so I switched to a supinated grip there, just to get a little different stimulus in my upper back. Then warming up for croc rows, so I like to do just a set of 5, 230 pounds. Try to be as explosive as possible, and I can warm up both my left and right at the same time. After this, then I go and do a couple warm-up reps. My feet slipped right off the machine there. Then I do just 3 warm-up reps each side with, I believe I was doing 110 pounds. And then we're going to hit 155 pounds on croc rows. My goal was to try to hit 20. We'll see if that happens. My back's still feeling a little bit, my back and my glutes are feeling insanely fatigued. So I was finding my right hip is still feeling stiff. It was bugging me a bit on these. So, wasn't super happy. You'll see I get 14 clean reps here. And then I got to pause for a second with my right arm. Then I got a 15th rep, paused again, and got kind of a 16th rep. Overall, wasn't happy. Left side went better, so we'll show you what I did with the left side here. So there you go. This is rep 14 clean, and then I had to rest, get 15. So I only count this as 14 reps in reality, but wanted to squeeze out a couple more, make sure I got a good workout in. Come on. Disappointed not to get 20 there. I got my sights set on it, but next week we'll get her. So there, I got my right hip popped. So I'm just trying to stretch it out a little bit, get it to feel a bit better. Rested a couple of minutes till it felt a little bit looser there, and then went for another set with my left arm. So once I got in a rhythm with the left arm, it was moving nice. No complaints here. Other than the fact that, again, my right lower back and hip were just kind of on fire here. So with that, just kind of plays on my mind a bit. Didn't have the mental fortitude to push through. Got up to 15 reps again there. So 15 is my mark at 155 pounds. So just got to try to improve on that till I get to 20. After that, did a massive drop set on rows. So started at 210 pounds. Hit 10 reps there, dropped it. So it drops 11 pounds every time. 210, 199, then down next set, 188. So I did 60 total reps. just repped out until I felt like I couldn't get another explosive rep at each weight. Dropped the weight. This is in 3 times speed, but dropped the weight and just kept hammering away on these. Next week when my back's feeling better, I'm going to do more Croc rows. The goal today was to do 3 sets of Croc rows with 155 pounds, but my back just was not feeling it. So decided just to hammer a ton of volume on these seated rows. Back is absolutely lit up today. Yeah, got, so what was that? 210, 199, 188, 177, 166, and I think 155 was all the weight to get myself to 60 total reps. I was absolutely gassed by the end, gasping for air. Back was on fire, and then finished off with what's becoming one of my all-time favorite back movements, this incline cable pullover. These I just find drive a ton of blood into my lats, get a really good lat stimulus. If you haven't tried these before, give them a try. I find I got it dialed in really nice now. I like this V handlebar. I start with the weight just above my head so I can get a nice stretch and just go right down to touch my stomach and then back up nice and slow. I love lat prayers, but I find these give even a better stimulus than lat prayers do. I can pull more weight, and yeah, it absolutely lights up my lats. That's it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow's deadlift day. We'll see how the back's feeling. Thanks for watching. Have a great